Welcome to more classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about additive and multiplicative properties, additive and multiplicative inverse, and number line for rational numbers. This session will be useful to the 8th standard students. Let us start. Rational numbers are the numbers that could be expressed as a ratio of two integers where the denominator is not 0. They include the decimals like 0.25, 0.5, 0.666, fractions like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, and whole numbers 0, 2, 4, 5, etc. 0 is the rational number. How? 0 divided by any integer, you are going to get 0. So 0 is a rational number. Now, what is additive inverse of a rational number? Let a by b be a rational number where b is not equal to 0. In that case, minus a by b is the additive inverse of the rational number. If the rational number is positive, the same number with the negative sign will be the inverse of the rational number. If the rational number is negative, its inverse will be same with positive sign. So if we add the rational number and its inverse, you will get the answer as 0. Now, what about multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse of a rational number is a reciprocal of the rational number. Suppose a by b is the rational number, its multiplicative inverse is b by a. If it is minus a by b, then its multiplicative inverse is minus b by a. That's it. Let us see the example. 2 by 5 is the rational number. Its additive inverse is minus 2 by 5. If you are adding both, you will get 0. Similarly, multiplicative inverse here 2 by 5. For 2 by 5, we will get 5 by 2 as the multiplicative inverse. If you multiply 2 by 5 with 5 by 2, you will get 1. Now, these two things are very important. One is multiplicative inverse of 0 is not defined. 0 by any integer is a rational number. So if you want to find the multiplicative inverse for 0 as a rational number, it is not defined, because any integer divided by 0, you will get infinite. That means undefined. Similarly, multiplicative inverse for 1 and minus 1, you will get the same number. Inverse of 1 is 1. Similarly, minus 1 means inverse of minus 1, same minus 1 you will get. So you will get the same number for multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1. You may get fill in the blanks or one word, one mark questions. It may come like this. Represent the following in number line. So minus 2 by 3. Here minus 2 by 3 is the rational number. Here the denominator is 3, numerator is minus 2. So that means it is negative rational number. So from 0 to left hand side it will come in the number line. So the denominator is 3. Therefore this 0 to minus 1 should be divided into 3 equal parts. Second, minus 2 by 3, here it is coming. Therefore minus 2 by 3 will come in at the point of A. What about 3 by 4? 3 by 4 is a positive rational number. Therefore it will come in the right hand side of the 0. So here the denominator is 4. So this 0 to 1 should be divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So at the point B, this 3 by 4 will come. And what about 3 by 2? 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. If you are simplifying the improper fraction, you will get mixed fraction of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 also a positive rational number. Therefore it is going to come in the right hand side of the 0. 1. This denominator is 2. Therefore this 1 to 2 should be divided into 2 equal parts. Here at the point of C, 3 by 2 will be represented. It's clear? Now let us do some exercise. Find the additive inverse of 5 by 7. Additive inverse of 5 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Additive inverse of minus 8 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Find the multiplicative inverse of 11 by 17. That is 17 by 11 is the multiplicative inverse of 11 by 17. Minus 3 by 5. So minus 5 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5. Represent minus 7 by 9 in number line. Minus 7 by 9 in number line. Okay. So minus 7 by 9 means it is going to come in the left hand side of the 0. Negative rational number. So this 0 to minus 1 should divided in 9 equal parts. At the point of minus 7, 7th part, we are going to mark this minus 7 by 9. Okay. Now let us talk about the properties of addition and multiplication. There are three properties. One is commutative property, the next one is associative property, the third is identity property. What is commutative property? Commutative property is A plus B is equal to B plus A. We have to reverse the number and write, not inverse, reverse. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. That means 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. So it is applicable for addition. So commutative property applicable for addition. Similarly, multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. That is 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into 5. That is 15 is equal to 15. It is also applicable for multiplication. Then what about associative property? Associative property, there will be three rational number. A bracket in bracket B plus C will be there. Now we have first adding A plus B, after that we are adding C. So it is the example 4 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 2. If you add 4 plus 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 6, 10. So you will get 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, associative property of addition is applicable. Then what about multiplication? Multiplication A into B into C. A into B into C. Same example you have taken. 4 into 6 into 2 is equal to 4 into 6 into 2. So 4 into 6 2s are 12. 4 into 12. Here 4 6 are 24. 24 into 2. If you multiply it, 48, 48. So LHS is equal to RHS. So associative property for multiplication is applicable. Then identity property. Identity property means whatever the rational number you are having, the same rational number should come if you use the identity of addition. So A plus 0 is equal to A. Similarly, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So 0 is the identity, additive identity of addition is 0. 0 is the additive identity for addition. Similarly, for multiplication, the same rational number should come. A into 1 is equal to A. So 5 into 1, 5. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. 0 is the additive identity. Clear? So let us do some exercise. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So here the question is we have to find the rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So we should find the average of these two rational number. That average will be the rational number between these two rational numbers. So for that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 multiplied with 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2. Both are same only. So 5 by 6 into 1 by 2 we will get 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 is the rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Write any 5 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Here we have to find out 5 rational number. Therefore we should find the LCM of this denominator, 6 and 8. The LCM is 24. So minus 5 by 6 can be written as minus 20 divided by 24. 7 by 8 can be written as 21 by 24. Now we are having minus 20 to 20 divided by 24 to 21 divided by 24. We are having so many rational numbers. Here we need to write only 5. Therefore, minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, minus 15 by 24. These are all the 5 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. So, what properties the following expression show? 23 plus 45 is equal to 45 plus 23. So, here A plus B is equal to B plus A. Is additive commutative or addition commutative property. Here 13 into 23 is equal to 23 into 13. A into B is equal to B into A. Here multiplicative commutative property. So calculate minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7. So we can take 3 by 7 common. So 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 0. That's all for the day. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends. Don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you.